Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins and cupcakes at home. We'll start by gathering all the ingredients and tools you'll need for a successful baking session. Then, we'll explore the simple steps for mixing your batter and baking your delicious treats to perfection. Finally, I'll show you some creative ideas for frosting and decorating your homemade muffins and cupcakes. To begin, ensure you have all your essential ingredients ready. This includes all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, fresh eggs, whole milk, and softened butter. Don't forget your leavening agents like baking powder or baking soda for that perfect rise. For tools, grab a couple of mixing bowls, a whisk, measuring cups, and spoons. Of course, muffin tins and paper liners are a must for baking. Now, let's get to mixing. First, combine all your dry ingredients in a large bowl, making sure they are well incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients until smooth. Then, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Pour the batter into your lined muffin tins and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes. Once your muffins or cupcakes are baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial before you even think about frosting. You can prepare a classic buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting. Use a piping bag with your favorite tip or simply a knife to apply the frosting. Then, let your creativity shine with sprinkles, fresh fruit, or chocolate shavings for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.